Right here with Khazai Rug Outlet, a family tradition since 1860. We have the largest selection of handmade rugs in Midwest, including Chicago, under one roof. 5,000 rugs in Louisville, actually over 5,000 rugs in Louisville, and over 2,800 rugs in Lexington. We are here to serve. Come on in and walk all over us. And you said, what the hell do you mean come in and walk all over us? If you have an old rug, if you have a rug that you want to trade, come on in. We will give you credit toward an exchange anytime. Come, pick a selection. Under no obligation, we will bring it to your home. We will show it to you in your room with your lighting, your color, your furniture. If you make a decision, we give you 100% credit toward an exchange. Sound crazy, doesn't it? 100% credit toward an exchange for the life of a handmade rug. So you come select, we will bring, place it, look at it. When we come to your home, we even clean your floor. We won't do your dishes, but we will clean your floor and place it in your room for you to see. No obligation whatsoever. Come on in and walk all over us. Thank you.